Welcome to Toronto, Canada's largest city and a dynamic metropolis that perfectly blends cosmopolitan allure with a warm, welcoming spirit. Known as the City of Toronto, this vibrant hub is a center for business, finance, arts, culture, and diversity. Let's explore what makes Toronto such an exciting place to live, work, and visit. Toronto is renowned for its rich tapestry of cultures, with people from over 200 ethnicities calling it home. This diversity is vividly reflected in the city's vibrant food scene, numerous festivals, and the variety of languages spoken on its streets. As Canada's financial capital, Toronto is a major center for business and innovation. It's home to the Toronto Stock Exchange and boasts a thriving tech scene. Toronto is also a cultural hub, offering a rich array of world-class museums, theaters, and art galleries. Whether you're an art lover, a history buff, or a theater enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. Toronto consistently ranks high on global livability indices, thanks to its high quality of life, excellent education, and strong healthcare system. It's a city where people of all backgrounds can thrive. First up is the CN Tower, Canada's tallest freestanding structure, offering breathtaking views of the city. Next, explore the Royal Ontario Museum, a world-class museum with exhibits that span history, art, and culture from around the globe. Step back in time at Casa Loma, a magnificent Gothic-style castle that's been transformed into a historical house museum. And don't forget the Toronto Eaton Centre, a massive shopping mall with hundreds of stores to explore. The Distillery District is a historic area that's been transformed into a trendy destination for shopping, dining, and entertainment. Immerse yourself in Chinese culture in Toronto's Chinatown, where you can enjoy delicious food and vibrant markets. Experience the lively atmosphere and authentic Italian cuisine in Little Italy, a neighborhood that feels like a slice of Italy in the heart of Toronto. Need a break from the urban buzz? Escape to the Toronto Islands for a relaxing day on the beach, a stroll through the parks, or a scenic bike ride with stunning views of the city skyline. High Park is another gem, perfect for picnics, hiking, or enjoying the beautiful cherry blossoms. Stroll along Toronto's beautiful waterfront for stunning views of Lake Ontario and the city's skyline. Toronto is a city that never sleeps, especially when it comes to events like the Toronto International Film Festival, or TIFF, and the vibrant Caravana Festival. For foodies, Winterlicious and Summerlicious are must-attend events, offering discounted prix-fixe menus at some of Toronto's top restaurants. Kensington Market is a melting pot of flavors. Try Pai Northern Thai Kitchen for authentic Thai cuisine, or Bon Mai Boys for a modern take on Vietnamese street food. If you want to try Chinese flavors, you can savor Cantonese classics at Dynasty Restaurant or special noodles at Hey Noodles Restaurant. As for Italian flavors, you should enjoy mouth-watering pizza at Pizzeria Libretto or a hearty pasta dish at Zito Zito Taverna. Also, don't forget to visit the entertainment district. You'll find some of Toronto's finest dining. Canoe offers upscale Canadian cuisine with breathtaking views, while Chaska serves up Indian street food. If you want a new experience, then Turkish cuisine in Toronto is a delightful blend of fresh ingredients and bold flavors which will surprise you. Visit Bosphorus Turkish Cuisine, Kismet Turkish Restaurant, or Passage for an authentic taste of Turkey. Toronto also offers a rich array of Arabic cuisine. Sample delicious Middle Eastern dishes at Byblos Toronto, Laylak Lebanese Cuisine Toronto, or Zaad for a truly diverse culinary experience. This is just a small sample of the incredible dining options available in Toronto. The city offers something to satisfy every palate and budget. Enjoy your adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for travel tips and guides.